guys, Roxanne here from Tiny Home Living. Well, it is a very exciting day today for me. Well, Chris too. We have the insulation guy coming today. Oh, like I said before, we've waited so long to get this done. Waiting is bad enough when you're doing any construction project, like any house we've built in the past. You wait and wait and wait to get to a certain stage. But because of the last couple of years with Chris's health issues and everything else, this has just been such a long, drawn out process and a long wait. And we're finally there, and I just can't tell you how excited I am. So anyway, I'm going to get a clip of the guy's business card and his equipment. So you can, if you're looking for spray foam insulation, he did this C-can that I'm standing in right now with the kitchen bathroom in it. And we were really pleased, so we had him come back and do the second half. So if you're looking for someone to do spray foam insulation, which is just superior to anything else, especially with these little cabins that people are turning into, well, sheds that people are turning into cabins and homes. It really adds a lot of structural integrity to those. He also, for one of the businesses that builds them, he does the floors of them. So this is something that a lot of people don't think of. You know, they get the cabin built or whatever and then try and figure out how to insulate the floor underneath. This is just the best way to go. Of course, you want to, put boards or something over the insulation after. Sorry, gotta switch arms. I'm using my phone today instead of my other camera because I'm not feeling well again. Anyway, he does those for one of the businesses, and you can check out his website and his Facebook and everything else, and you will see that he's really busy because he's really good. Anyway, let's get on with it. And I don't have a lot of footage because when this stuff is being done, it is very toxic, and you do have to stay out of the building for a day or two, which we will do. And the window's not in either, so that helps just air it out really well. So I can't get too close because of the fumes, and I can't get a lot of footage because I can't be in there. We've sealed both doors, so I can only get some footage through the window. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this, guys. And again, like I say, if you're looking for someone to do this kind of work, he really is good, the work is good, and you won't be disappointed. Are you just showing off for the camera?